Welcome back to FD Auto. The Mercedes-Benz 220 from the early 1960s isn't just another classic sedan. This is the car that introduced American audiences to what premium European engineering looked like when elegance met practicality. With its distinctive tail fins and refined presence, the W111 generation redefined what a luxury sedan could be for families who wanted sophistication without sacrificing everyday usability. If you've ever wondered what made Mercedes a household name in the States, this is where that story truly begins. Step back and appreciate the exterior, and you'll immediately notice why they called it the Fintail. Those subtle rear fins weren't just styling, they were a statement of modernity in an era obsessed with aviation-inspired design. The upright grille commands respect, while the chrome detailing wraps around a body that's both formal and approachable. The proportions feel balanced, with large glass areas that flooded the cabin with light and gave it an airy, open character. Whether parked outside a country club or navigating city streets, this sedan had presence without arrogance. Underneath, the W111 introduced a completely new platform that prioritized passenger safety and structural rigidity. The ride quality was transformative for its time, smooth, composed, and surprisingly refined over broken pavement. Mercedes engineered the suspension to absorb highway undulations while maintaining stability through corners, giving American buyers a taste of Autobahn-bred composure. This wasn't a sports car, but it felt planted and confident in ways domestic sedans of the era simply didn't. Under the hood, the 220 came with a dependable inline-six engine that delivered smooth, linear power delivery. It wasn't about raw acceleration, it was about effortless cruising and mechanical refinement. The 4-speed manual or optional automatic transmission felt precise and well-suited to relaxed highway driving. Fuel efficiency was respectable for a 6-cylinder of this size, and the engine's durability became part of the Mercedes legend. This was a rear-wheel drive sedan built for stability and poise. Power delivery felt measured and predictable, with enough traction in dry conditions to inspire confidence. There weren't selectable drive modes, just honest, mechanical engineering that rewarded smooth inputs and rewarded drivers who appreciated finesse over force. Inside, the cabin was all about understated luxury. The dashboard layout was clean and driver-focused, with large, legible gauges and simple controls that made sense immediately. Seating was supportive with quality upholstery that aged gracefully, and rear passengers enjoyed generous legroom and comfort. Visibility was exceptional thanks to thin pillars and expansive windows, making city driving and parking surprisingly easy for a car of this stature. Technology was analog and beautifully simple: a radio, ventilation controls, and everything you needed without distraction. This was about enjoying the drive and the company, not managing screens or settings. Safety was forward-thinking, with a reinforced passenger cell, crumple zones that were revolutionary for the time, and thoughtful engineering that prioritized occupant protection in an era before modern standards existed. Behind the wheel, the 220 delivers a serene, connected experience. Steering is direct with just enough feedback to feel engaging, while road noise is remarkably controlled. Whether cruising interstates or navigating tree-lined boulevards, this sedan feels timeless and composed. The Mercedes-Benz 220 is for collectors who appreciate engineering heritage, enthusiasts who value driving purity, and anyone seeking to understand why this brand earned its reputation. It's a time capsule of when luxury meant substance, craftsmanship, and integrity. If this look at automotive history resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into classic and modern cars, and turn on notifications so you never miss a review. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.